when people say that they are dating,
कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में हम engage हो चुके हैं, कुछ के में a lot of people cannot digest it, especially coming from a house which is so messy, which is so chaotic.
कभी कभी आप उस पोजीशन में होते हो कि आप चूज कर सकते हो कि यार अभी मुझे ये करना है, अभी मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, आई वांट टू ट्राई समथिंग, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, मतलब कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट. मे बी दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू टेक सम experiments, to do something which I've never done before.
You grow, you evolve. So now that I look back, it's been a nice, crazy, beautiful journey. How long I've come, and
but how has life been changed after Big Boss? Coming from the house?
I think in a good way. I think that is very nice. I'm much stronger. More doors. Some bonds are magical. Some bonds you cannot describe or put in the right word. Notion that no, maybe it is not real, maybe it is fake. A red flag is
Guilty pleasure show you both binge together in the show.
guilty pleasure. Friends. It's no, not friends.
That's
No,
guilty pleasure.
nobody wants this.
Last text you sent each other.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
कहाँ पे? हाँ, कब निकलना है?
Hi, this is Jan. You're watching When Galata India, and today I'm in conversation with Avinash and Isha. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys are looking damn crazy in the song Auna. How does it feel? It's backed by two iconic voices, Adnan and Asha ji. कैसा लगता है? How does it feel?
Feel blessed. I feel blessed कि I'm part of this song and they are legendary singers. हम बड़े हुए हैं इनको सुनते.
Yeah.
तो I'm glad कि after Big Boss this was our first project and बहुत proud feel होता है. Yes, we are a part of it.
Yeah. How does you spend a time with Adnan sir as well, I guess.
Yes,
है ना?
we both.
You both, yeah.
Yes.
So how was that? कुछ memories आया वहाँ से?
बहुत कुछ है. मतलब obviously मैं म्यूजिक में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड भी हूँ. मैं बहुत पैशनेटली म्यूजिक भी फॉलो करता हूँ.
Yeah.
एंड मैं गिटार प्ले करता हूँ. एंड मैं बात कर रहा था सर से कि अभी लाइव कॉन्सर्ट्स कितने चेंज हो गए हैं एंड अभी की मेलोडी कितनी चेंज हो गई है, हाउ इट वाज बैक देन, अभी डिफरेंट है एंड आगे क्या हो सकती है पॉसिबिलिटीज. तो वो सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस कर रहे थे बिकॉज आई हैड अ सेगमेंट विद अदनान सर जहाँ पे हम एक्ट करते हैं एंड देन द सॉन्ग स्टार्ट्स.
Yes.
मुझे काफ़ी टाइम मिला था उनके साथ बात करने का. सो वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री एंड हाउ इट्स वर्किंग एंड फ्यूचर में और क्या क्या न्यू चीज़ें आ सकती हैं म्यूजिक में.
तो बिल्कुल. And what about you?
सर अविनाश ने वो सेगमेंट किया था, मैंने किया था जहाँ हम लास्ट में जाते
Last
हैं.
पे जाता है, yes.
तो मैं कुछ टाइम उनके साथ बैठी हुई थी एंड ही वाज टेलिंग मी अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट हिज वर्क. कई बार आप जब इतने लेजेंडरी लोगों के सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंसेस सुनते हो ना, यू लर्न सो मच. कितना कुछ
Absolutely.
होता है उनके पास, मतलब पूरा पिटारा है नॉलेज का और इतनी कुछ बातें हैं. तो आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू हिम एंड आई थिंक इट इज वेरी नाइस, वेरी स्वीट टू अस, वेरी हम्बल.
Yeah.
And अभी मुझे स्ट्राइक हुआ दैट the Isha who grew up listening to these songs, to be a part of such a song is such a blessing, and I'm just so glad and blessed.
You have played romantic genre से लेके intense genre तक. How you see this journey? How have you evolved?
Ma'am, I think a lot of things are still to be explored. अभी तो बहुत कम किए हैं, to be honest. मतलब जो शेड्स मैंने किए हैं, yes I try कि मैं हर बार कुछ डिफरेंट करूं, बट कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी बहुत सिमिलैरिटीज लानी पड़ती हैं पुराने वाले कैरेक्टर से बिकॉज टीवी शोज में कई बार उतना ज़्यादा आपको डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर प्ले करने को नहीं मिलता है. ऑल्दो दो शोज में थोड़े डिफरेंट थे एंड अभी तक मतलब बोल सकता हूँ कि हाँ कुछ अलग रहे, बट स्टिल अ लॉट टू एक्सप्लोर. बहुत चीज़ें बची हैं मेरे लिए एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए एंड आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड आई फील कि दैट्स हाउ एन आर्टिस्ट शुड बी कि आपको सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स करने को मिले एंड आप खुद भी उसको ट्राई करो.
Right. But have your choices evolved after coming from Big Boss? कि अब ये चीज़ें करनी है या ये चीज़ें नहीं करनी है?
See, अब कभी कभी आप उस पोजीशन में होते हो कि आप चूज कर सकते हो कि यार अभी मुझे ये करना है, अभी मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, आई वांट टू ट्राई समथिंग, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, मतलब कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट. तो यस अभी कुछ बोल सकता हूँ मैं कि हाँ कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाह रहा हूँ या कुछ अपने ऊपर ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ, कुछ स्किल्स ऐड करना चाहता हूँ एंड मे बी दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू टेक सम experiments, to do something which I've never done before.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm doing some exciting projects.
Isha, what about you? From Ishq Subhan Allah से अब तक we have seen you grow. How do you see this journey now?
I think with every passing stage, it's you grow, you evolve. So now that I look back, It's just it's been a nice, crazy, beautiful journey. How long I've come, and there's still so much more to do and so much more to explore. So I'm just taking one step at a time and focusing on what is in front of me and trying to focus on that.
But how has life been changed after Big Boss? Coming from the house?
I think in a good way. I am more stronger. I know who are my people, who are not, which was very, very important for me to know who are actually my people. So I think that is very nice. I'm much stronger. More doors have opened for me. So I think everything has changed for good.
But how do you describe this bond? I mean, you know, on video it looks so refreshing, so crazy. You know, आप दोनों कितने प्यारे दिख रहे हो. The comments are like that. You know, Avinash and Nisha, you should make a web series. If you see the comments, still it's trending on YouTube. How do you see this bond?
यार अमेजिंग है, मतलब वी फील ब्लेस्ड, वी आर ग्रेटफुल कि हमारा बॉन्ड इतना अच्छा है एंड वो स्क्रीन पे भी आ जाता है उसका मैजिक.
जी.
सो वी फील रियली ब्लेस्ड कि हमको ऐसे एक्साइटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिल रही हैं कि हम उस चीज़ को कैपिटलाइज करके ऑन स्क्रीन अपने ऑडियंस को डिलीवर भी कर सकें.
Right.
एंड आई होप कि आगे और भी ऐसे फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स हमें मिले, हम करेंगे साथ में.
But what about you? You haven't.
Some bonds are magical. Some bonds you cannot describe or put in the right words. I think this is such a bond, and I'm so glad to have somebody who's so special to me and who's a very good friend. I can annoy, who's my 3M buddy and also 2M buddy. But I got very lucky because right after coming from Big Boss, I got to work with him. And I think inside the house, I said I really want to work with him, and we're doing a couple of projects together. So I think it just feels nice, and I keep saying touch wood, because I don't want any nazar on it. So I think I'm glad. I'm
But
happy.
when people say that they are dating, what's your answer on them? I mean, आप हमेशा क्लियर करते रहते हैं इस चीज को कि यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं, we are very good friends.
Now we have stopped clearing everything. Now we are like they
whatever you
can
think.
assume whatever they want. They should be happy at the end.
कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में हम engage हो चुके हैं, कुछ के में हम date
It's
कर
their
रहे हैं.
love, yeah. It's their love, and we crave for love. That's it. We work for them, and हमें यही होता है कि यार हमारी audience हमसे प्यार करे, हम उनको entertain कर पाएं. And ये उनका प्यार है that वो हमको कैसे perceive करते हैं.
But also the bond is so pure
Yeah.
that it is very, what he's saying is absolutely right, but you know, a lot of people cannot digest it, especially coming from a house which is so messy, which is so chaotic. To have this bond exactly the same or even stronger after coming out of the house, I think people cannot digest it. Some people have that notion that no, maybe it is not real, maybe it is fake. But what Avinash said, I really agree with him that, you know, अभी जिसको जो सोचना है सोचो.
Absolutely.
What we share, we cannot go out and tell people that this is what it is, because some will not understand. We don't want people to understand. So I think now, to put it in short, I think I'm we both are very, very blessed and happy to be.
Right, absolutely. But what's your one green flag and one red flag?
My
in the
green-
men's, yeah.
In
In the
him,
men's. No, in general in men's. In your life, if someone comes in your life, not in Avinash.
green flag is somebody showing up, somebody being for you when you need it the most, somebody not making excuses, somebody genuinely being there, not when the world sees it, but when nobody sees it and when the place is dark out there and the person showing up for you. Red flag is ghosting. Red flag is not being respectful towards family, because I'm a very family oriented person.
Nice.
So I think it's a big
मेरा
red
वही
flag.
रखा था दिमाग में.
So it's a big red flag. If you tell me that, you know, why you so much towards your mom or your brother, it's a red flag. I love my family, and I am somebody who's a very family oriented person.
What about you?
Biggest red flag will be exactly the same. If that person is not very much family oriented, I can't relate to that person. And the green flag is have that understanding. The person
Absolutely.
needs to be very understanding.
So I have 5 questions. We'll quickly do it. Any friendship or rivalries that are still alive even after the show of Big Boss?
I guess only
Friendship.
friendships.
Rivalry is nothing, none.
We don't care about those.
Best, of course. Guilty pleasure show you both binge together in the show.
Guilty pleasure,
Huh?
friends. It's no, not friends.
That's
No,
not guilty pleasure.
nobody wants this.
Nobody wants this. That's on Netflix. Yeah.
Who was always late on set?
On set.
हाँ, when
I
while
think I'm
shooting.
in general very late in life. मतलब मैं थोड़ा late arrival है
See.
मेरा थोड़ा.
You got the answer. Last text you sent each other.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
कहाँ पे है? हाँ, कब निकलना है?
Because यहाँ ना था.
Nice. Who takes more selfies?
अच्छा
Of course.
उसके फ़ोन में मेरी सेल्फीज़ है बिकॉज़ उसके फ़ोन में फ़ोटोज़ अच्छी आती है.
Dream role you would love to play opposite each other.
Opposite each other. I think I would like to do something like Barfi with him. I want to do something challenging with him. And I was telling this the other day. We were having this conversation, and I said I really want to do an acting, not that music video, but music video is a very short span of time. So I want to do a proper acting project, and we were very close of doing one before Big Boss, where I think all I remember is that he was very good. He was a very good actor. So I really want to do a full-fledged acting project with Avinash. Fingers crossed on that.
Crazy, absolutely. But you guys have, you know, one loyal fan base, ठीक है, जो लोग काफ़ी एक्टिव रहते हैं, काफ़ी कमेंट करते हैं, बट उस दोनों को मेंटेन करना कितना पॉसिबल हो पाता है ऑनलाइन? How do you
This is
maintain?
the beauty of it. We it's like हम कभी busy भी रहते हैं, हम नहीं भी reply कर पाते हैं, then also they're there. Constantly they're there for us. So I guess ये हम blessed हैं that we have those people in our life जो हमारे fans बन गए. Now they're like our family. And हम कई बार हम time देने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, but somewhere we are busy, तो we are not able to give time. But हम जब free होते हैं, हम उनको text कर लेते हैं, हम उनको reply कर लेते हैं, उनके comments like कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
So that's how we
Maintain.
show our love also. But हाँ, कई बार अगर हम नहीं भी उनके लिए available हैं, but they are available for us 24/7. So that is something I feel हम बहुत grateful हैं that we have got this loyal fan base.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you
It
so
was
much. Means a
lovely
lot.
talking to
Thank
you.
you.
But before going, if you want to say something to your fans, Avisha.
Well, thank you so much for all the love and your constant love and support means a lot to us. And हमारे new project is out. आओ ना, please go and watch it. And future में भी बहुत सारे projects आएंगे to entertain you all. Thank you.